Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that you may have MP4s and MP3s on your personal computer that you want to stream to other devices on your network without streaming them over the internet. You can do that by using the media streaming options. In order to find them, what you're going to do is you're going to place your cursor inside of the search area. You're then going to type in media streaming options. And you'll see them in your control panel. You'll then click the link. You'll then see whether or not your media streaming options are turned on. In order to turn on media streaming, what you're going to do is click Turn on Media Streaming. And what you're going to do is you're going to decide and customize how your stream is going to be available. So for example, what we can do is we can show the devices in our local network, or we can show the devices in all the connected networks that we have access to. In this case, we're going to show the devices on our local network. We're then going to click Customize. We're then going to decide which media we want to have available on the network to be streamed. So for example, we can decide that we only want our videos to be streamed. And once we do that, we can then click OK. We can then decide which devices we're going to have available. In fact, we can remove devices that we don't want onto the plan, and then we can click OK. So what we've basically done now is we've made it possible to access media on our personal computer through streaming access as long as we have access through the home network. This means then that we do not have to duplicate our media on multiple devices. We can just access it through the one device where it resides. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.